Hello children, today we are going to do the book exercise of class 6 subject computer. So first you have to write today's date, then answers. Fill in the blanks. Dash view displays the windows in vertical stacks, that is show windows stacked. The deleted files or folders will be moved into recycle bin. Window media player organizes dash files on a computer. Media. Dash is the operating system's file and folder manager. Windows Explorer. Page number 12. Match the following. Navigation pane manages files at multiple locations. Empty recycle bin delete files from the recycle bin. Window media player advanced audio coding. Libraries used to access all the locations. True or false? The frequently accessed application can be pinned to taskbar. True. There is no option to restore the deleted files from the recycle bin. It is false because we can restore the files from the recycle bin. We can permanently delete a file or a folder from the computer. It is false because if we have to delete the files or folder permanently, first we have to delete the folder, it will go to recycle bin, and then from the recycle bin we are going to delete the file folder permanently. So it is false. Details section is located at the bottom of the Window Explorer window. It is true. Next we have question time. Choose the correct answer. This button is used to quickly access the desktop, that is show desktop. This view displays the Windows tab, that is the Windows tab. Show Windows tab. The dash displays the now playing mode, that is the window media player. Okay children, now we are going to do the question and answers, and you children have to write the question answers in your notebook. So you have to write today's date, 20 October 2020, chapter number 1, working with Windows 7. Answer the following question. Question number 1, the answer is the show desktop button provides quick access of Windows 7 desktop. Question number 2, answer is to open Windows Explorer, any one of the three ways can be followed. First is double click on the computer icon from the desktop, or click Windows button and letter E together from the keyboard, or click the start menu, select and click computer option. Question number 3, the answer is the steps to search any file or folder are: type the name of file or folder in the search computer box, click the search icon or press enter key. Question number 4, the answer is the two options of recycle bin are: restore option, any deleted file or folder can be restored to the same location from where it was deleted. To perform this operation, select the desired file or folder, click restore this item or restore all the item option in recycle bin. This way we can recover accidentally deleted files or folders. Empty recycle bin option, this option is permanently deleted all the files and folders from the recycle bin. Once the operation is performed, we cannot retrieve the files and folders. It is always good practice to empty the recycle bin at regular intervals to avoid unnecessary storage of space. So children, the book work you have to do in the book only, and the question and answers you have to write in your notebooks in a very beautiful handwriting. Thank you.